Okay, I am fulfilling a promise that I would. Somebody made a comment on the YouTube short that I did with this Waterman Carène, how they liked their pen, but they were frustrated with this finial, and in particular, how this finial lines up or gets misaligned with the nib. Now, right now, the finial and nib are aligned pretty, yeah, they're aligned. So uh, I'm not gonna, I'm gonna work to not mess this up. I was messing around with it earlier. I purposely messed it up, got it out of alignment because I have had it go out of alignment before, and then found out how to fix it. So here's what's going on with the construction of this pen. All right, you open it up, and obviously the converter is out. And then you got this whole section here. Of course, your grip section will come apart. All of this metal here will come apart from the grip section. Now it starts right here. You have this smooth nut, and this, I think, is probably where you might find, this is the first place to look when if this thing is out of alignment. For instance, I'm gonna mess up just a little bit there. Now see what happened? Here it is right there, and it is very much out of alignment. And sometimes I think what happens is this little smooth nut or rounded nut, whatever you want to call it, backs off after a while. After you've done a refill, you remove the body off and on. All these parts, you're going to see there's a lot of parts that do a lot of screwing in together, okay? All right, so right now, and then part of the problem too is sometimes you need to just tighten that up, the barrel up a little bit. Okay, so take that off, and then what some people will do, you make sure, first of all, make sure that this is tightened, okay? So that's tightened, and so it should all line up. Of course, I just messed it up right there. So I'm going to twist this back. And that's getting better. I think when I really tightened this, it messed with something else in there. So you can kind of grab onto, oops, take this off. And then here's another separate part there. And as you see on here, you got that little nub right there, and it's just on one side. And that nub has to go toward the nib there. And it goes in this, oops, there you go, goes in that channel. So it lines up, there it is. So it lines up in that channel. Otherwise, if you get it backwards, it's just gonna spin, okay? So let me get this fixed here. All right, so you got that section right there. And then you have this other section, this all one piece. I'm thinking, I don't know, it may even come apart more. As I was messing with this before, that's what happened. So this will actually unscrew. I don't want to mess with it any more than I already have. Okay, anyway, this whole part unscrews too. And I did it inadvertently, but apparently it's wanting to tighten up. But you got a bunch of parts here that can kind of come apart. So just be careful. I'm going to see if I can get that off. I'm just curious. I fixed it once before, so let me see if I can. Be careful of your nib when you're doing this, obviously. Now, okay, all right. So that's anyway. But that'll if this whole unit has backed off a little bit for whatever reason, from unscrewing and screwing this back in over time, then you'll need to get that in there and tighten that as well. Okay, so I did mess it up. So let's see. And I'm putting this back on, snugging it. Don't wrench that at the moment anyway. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it's still off. So I'm going to try to turn it clockwise. And then that turned it this way, counterclockwise, a little bit more. So I'm going to try back that off. I'm going to try to turn it counterclockwise. So you're going to have to play with it. But that's really, I think most of the time this is going to be the issue, is this rounded nut not being seated right. It seems to me like that would be what could happen the most. So you can do this barehanded, but oops, I just lost a piece. Okay. All right, so where's the little nub? All right, there it is. It's on the inside. There's my groove. Put that in. That on there. Okay, that fixed it. Let me look down. Sometimes it helps to look down your nib, make sure your nib is right, and come back up. And that looked like it fixed it. A little bit, the shading is a little bit different because of the lighting, but that is fixed. Okay, so that's how you fix this. But like I said, I see when you tighten this up, you end up moving this whole unit sometimes. And I don't know if weather has to do with it or just over time what. Anyway, it can end up tightening this more. And so, or sometimes something happens here when you're messing with it, trying to get that in. Sometimes that smooth nut can come undone. But anyway, I think what happens, like I said, is that it ends up getting, as you're capping or you're putting the barrel back on, screwing the barrel back on, is that when you go to snug it, over time, it ends up turning this whole unit just enough. And so you need to take it and go counterclockwise. So anyway, that's how you check it. So I would say mess with this, and then since this is most likely has loosened up a little bit, then just tighten it up. All right. Well, let's see. I just messed with it. Let's see. Okay. I fixed it again. All right. There you go, the Waterman Carène. I love this pen, and I know that issue can be a frustration, but that's how you fix it. And I hope this video has helped, and I can't wait. I got another one of these on my radar, and so maybe by Christmas I can afford it. Anyway, all right. Thanks for watching, and like I said, I hope it helps. All right. You have a great day.